What's encouraging to us is that for 2026, we've leased about 57% of our expected leasing for that year, and that's up about 11% over prior year. So broad-based demand and tenants coming to us early for early lease renewals is just a really encouraging sign for the demand for the industrial sector.
STAG already completed 100% of its leasing as of the third quarter, and over half of 2026 leasing has already been addressed. What's behind that momentum, and what macro trends are you watching for the year ahead?
Yeah, it's a good question. I mean, it's really been broad-based demand across a number of sectors and industries. What's encouraging to us is that for 2026, we've leased about 57% of our expected leasing for that year, and that's up about 11% over prior year. So broad-based demand and tenants coming to us early for early lease renewals is just a really encouraging sign for the demand for the industrial sector.
And can you elaborate on the types of assets or markets you're prioritizing for acquisitions and development, and how you're balancing growth with maintaining disciplined returns?
Yeah, so our focus has been for years CBRE Tier 1 markets. We love those markets, a lot of demand, make sure the buildings that we add to our portfolio meets the demand of the submarkets. Additionally, accretion and meeting our investment thresholds has been a focal point of STAG really since our IPO. So no change there. We look at our cost of capital, we look at our current returns, we look at the growth profile, and those all have to work in order for us to add an acquisition to our portfolio.
And what do you see as the biggest priorities for STAG in 2026?
Yeah, it's really similar to 2025, and we're going to focus on driving internal growth. A lot of that is driven by rollover lease rates. Those lease rates this last year has been 24%. I think we're targeting about 20% for 2026. We anticipate the acquisition market to pick up a bit in 26. And lastly, to build on these successes we've had in our development initiatives, that's been a big initiative for me and the team. We've had great success and want to build on that in 26.